Kublai pi baro aska thup Khubor jengi ka DBMN TV. Kimat kiba kongsan ta kasngi kilong. Kerpar ka mahua moitra ban kersha ki kertong ka AITC. Tuj umat ki hajar balai antep ye umah hedon. Daka road show pen I jing klan uba Mary Bonds im hanong po. Ban penbiang lat yada Khubor district ye Shillong Khubor Assam. Tementai ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakhamnya. Keluar perta election bat ke MP penaktin ban Jylla jiktip jaka seng All India Trinamool Congress mahua maitra kalapoi Shillong haka arphulai terik ban perta election naga bantaki kertong jaka nika seng ban yada yaki jingkeno babunjat nakiwe pat kiseng persya yaka AITC. Haka jingkran berkilar pathai Khubor ha opes trekam kanika seng kamahua maitra kalaong ba kiwe kiseng san perthai gikeno baka AITC kadeka seng bar Jylla kala keli kala daga baong. Ka BJP baka Kongres ki wanang no. Kalaya thu baka AITC kala sempat ya ka BJP haka rukam ka badai. Bat kinoya lam jongka kila bat skor haka election baladep ha West Bengal. Kala kerpa di kipat baka Meghalaya ban tur caka ketem jongka AITC bat ban penjob bagi kertong jongka. Kenang baki kipat baka Meghalaya kinyo ya ka sorkar ka patrihok ban kentiu ya ka roy ka pa jongki kipat baka ni ka Jylla. Kalau ong ba kum kinoy alam ka seng ni dan shibun ki kamban perkhat na kabenta ki pat ba bat ngim dan por ban kawang kti ki weipan ka BJP ka deban sumar yala ka yeng amban kto kdo kti ki weipan kala ong.
Answer any allegations said by the BJP. I'm here to set the narrative that the Trinamool is putting out, right? So I think the BJP should concentrate on answering whatever allegations are against them rather than point fingers at us. I think it is absolutely below my dignity and below the dignity of the Trinamool to allow the BJP to set the narrative and allow us to fall into that. I think they should look after their own problems.
But at home you should be
Sorry?
corruption free at home.
We've come back on the back of, we've just won a massive election in 2021. We've come back for the third time. And every election that is happening in Bengal, Trinamool Congress is coming back with a greater majority. I think if indeed these allegations were true, the people of Bengal are an extremely smart race and they would vote with their feet.
Some additional
Outside party comment, I think only a person with, I think only people with very, very single digit IQ could ask this question, because when you're talking about an outside party, the Congress is headquartered in Delhi, is led by Mallikarjuna Kharge, who's from Karnataka, and its leader yesterday who came and spoke here was Mr. Gandhi from Delhi. The BJP is headquartered in Nagpur and in Delhi. Its national president is JP Nadda, who's from Himachal. Its leaders are from Gujarat. So they're coming here and fighting. So how come they don't have the tag of an outside party? The Trinamool is a national party led by Mamata Banerjee. Our state president in Meghalaya is Charles, who's sitting here, who's from here. We have Dr. Mukul Sangma as well, who's been a two-time chief minister. Every single worker and party holder of the Trinamool in Meghalaya is from the state.
Rengkar berkibahayeng hasem ki gur ki kha kilok ki jor lawan senran ki hajar mut ki palba na keleng ki Shillong jong so yong constituency ya ka mer jong ba HDR lungdo hak arphulai tarik RYMPHANG nadu yeng shong hadu lum jingtem kilong kpa kilong keme bat ki khon samla kila yam sngosi kthang ya ka jinglet no jong ni urangba na pedeng jong ki Umah hedon kumbala khot e je ula kem shitam kansan haka jingelang palba kabla long hamau maram haka singining kong balala laki di Umar Marsha Bethany Hospital banyo ya ka jing sumar bakerki Henry ki doktor Kim Lashu banyarap ula klat haka te hi ka janmit ya ka met jong ni urang ba la tap don buram menta kasngi haka Shillong baushong usa Umah hedon ula long unong yalam baki pat ba ka so yung constituency ki hadu kata-kata
Raskari baru kawai di pulau betul betul ya kabang nejuk no ya mahes tiar pulang dalam tuni bat aku juga poru ha kali kesini Ismau mi penpau kum kedak ke jus musi kum kinong persan jong parti UDP ras kan iri borok away. Tungta nak liang junging yang hang ni ngap yang SDR bansawan na po Shillong ban next po soyong. Tungta nak liang jungi kinong kitkam jong iri ras kan kat kinong persan baro. Ni pedang subha kan sengi yak bay mahe luan na Shillong ban ya siapa soyong. Tungta nak liang jungi ilbu tang jing ruai yak ba blay Unishim halak jong kiti yang mahe komo la shauno saladehi. Tengta kini kiki baro kilong kat kujung penyaj baik parenti ke jong blay. Kadon kapor ya kabau briu. Kabau blay, kating ke jong blay ke ong. Kadon kapor ban kha bat kadon kapor ban yam. Dan makta kini ngim semua pela. Begini kiki baro kidang jebu baik burti ke jong blay. Tengta ngindua ya bau blay. Unsai pat yunu yalam bakam kraw. Nam tak riba kajak bendria kujongi bat NAKA konsensi soyong baro away. Dan NAKA liang jungi ngem don ni ban ai. Suai tak jengkit bok kerwang yepi mahe. Tos nang lisuk lisan. Saka jaka ka boleh lo konkret nam ta jongpi. Dengaru tang inde kini ni bakdiat. Keren nam tak ireras kani baro away. Mun ai ka jengkit bok kerwang yak bai mahe. Nak pusuk pusan nak jaka ka boleh konkret ta jungi.
Kinoyalam kaseng UDP rengkar berukur tong kenong po konstituensi uba Amirul Bon Siem haka jengalang palba ha umdan kila kerpa di palba kani kathan ban kersan yu ukur tong jongka haka ni ke election banlong haka arpuh nyau terik menta ubenai dagi hajar ki palba kilawan ban sengap ikirang ba ha UDP haka ni ke jengalang lapan long ru eka road show nadu paham Siem hadu paham maulen ban pen i ke jingbun breu ban jingklan jong ba Amirul Bon nakani ke jaka Hagani kasngi na lor uba Amirul Bon Siem ludan langru uba Balajit Rani MDC ba Michael Karhunai ba Dipul Rentathyang ba kiwei kinongkit kam ka UDP.
Boro sispa arpu pratli ki Shillong ba ndriu pu pratli ki polling station hapo jongga nongpo constituency kawakan thuk ya kilai punyau hajar san puk naingut kinong tebut hapo jongga constituency ki balapalat ya khat prasnem ki bladep ban enroll yeledi bat kini kilai punya hajar san pengenangot kinrai ya karai bayano injit kum kinong nikmat lane wemeli na gane kan nongpo konsensi haka ar punya uterik RYMPHANG jong gane kesinem ar hajar ar pulai kabamut haka ne kesineng kong kabanwan gane kesni kabagin ai ya karai kejongi yano injit de nagtagadao nagaliang kejonga kum ukertong nakaseng UDP agane kapor kesno banapil yepi ki parlok ki bala semran lang ki parlok ki bala abanyo snow lumba jogane ke tendong jing sawa ki beran agane ke dong berkatan ke jingkerpat ke basurit kalong pepin soba ban ai ke jingkersan jenga kum ukertong nakaseng UDP aga sembol jonggabom hagabom 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 halor ki nongrim ki babhi pin pencong nongrim banjit nong mikmat kamde ka kamkai kadai ka kam ka bekentang hangeng idan ki jinget ki beper ki kenhun balang beper ban budin ya ki kam ki balasdang dai mahe lapang ban pendep ya ki kam ke bi la posniu batru ban sedang ya ki kam ki bathmai naga menta kalawei ka bapernai jong ka nongpo ka donsi bat ka temri boy hi paro kawei katto kanne ka sugwa ban jeri bi krang bagi paipa ken sutu nganum jer sibun mar ka por kamsha ndai kalong ka bagongsan hadu kata bahagi dong bagi tain jungi aga nongpo konstituensi kimat ki bahakmat ki bagila persang ban pe naga benta ka umbamung di gede gawei de kimat ki bagongsan Ilala aban penurlong ya ka nong greater nongpo combine water supply scheme agajing penmang ka besispa lai klur na ka bata arpau teli ki Shillong ki bagentuk nadu na mau tunum syadu sesang bangla kiran sau teli ki Shillong hangtu ki bangkentuk aga nongpo konsensiru nei kumu briu bodan ya gijing kitli ngila penurung lang ki sau teli ki Shillong ki bahap so umsling konsensi nei kumba Handriu teli ki Shillong gidi bahap po kanongpo konsensi bagi niyo ay kumbamong di ikabakuit kabasuba nagabatay kita Shillong hantu kumbamong di nagabata right nung true right matan combine water supply scheme kabasyong dor kumbasan huwi klur kang kai lala ben persangsion ka kam galasang nangam da gijimon toy de khat prat li gishnong
Deputy Commissioner but District Election Officer Karibhoi District Arpit Upadhyay ulay thu hakilat pathai Khubor mentakas ni hak office tre kamjong hanong po ba uweu MLA jong ka Assam na West Karbi Anglong ulat thmu ban penwit ya ka election hakishnong kathan Khaput jong ka Meghalaya Assam ban khangi ki breu ban tap vote hak arphu nyau tarik RYMPHANG Marmaru DC Nongpo ula pentip ya kani Shikibor bahajrong bat CEO rengkat bu Chief Secretary ke Meghalaya kila tho Shikibor ka Sarkar Assam ban te lakam ya kani ka jingberngam jong uni MLA ka Sarkar Assam kala mana ya utau MLA batla hukum ya ban tengkan ya la ka sentur nakaliang ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala penbun kilat pahara daki pulit rengkat bat ki pulit Central Armed Police Force ban yat bet ki kam election hadu ban deblut nadong syadong Khubor Sanshar Karibhoi District kila penjuri kilat pahara ha blok 2 bat hakishnong kiba don hasilin ter ka Khaput Assam kipai ba ka Meghalaya kimdei banting AA laong UDC nongpo.
So recently one report was received by the office of DEO in which one MLA from West Karbi Anglong was found to give a speech and he was saying that voters from block 2 area will not be allowed to enter inside Meghalaya or to give cast their votes as in the Meghalaya assembly elections. As soon as the matter came to light, the office of DEO I discussed with the counterpart, the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, and the matter was brought to their light, and it was requested that a serious action should be taken. And immediately the matter was flagged to the office of CEO and the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya. Based on that, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya had written officially to the Chief Secretary of Assam also, and the CEO office also got into touch with the CEO of Assam, and I also talked to the DC there. After that, serious action was taken, and it was told to me that the DC and SP of West Karbi Anglong summoned the concerned MLA, and then he was warned about the illegal statement that he has given, and that he should refrain from giving such kind of statements in public. This is against the RP Act, and also there is a Supreme Court ruling in which is regard to the polling stations which are in the border areas, and as per that ruling a status quo has to be maintained, and that there should be no change and no one can stop the voter if the name is there in the electoral rolls. So based on that, a series of meetings were also held earlier by the district administration from both the sides, in which all the local people, the headmen of those areas were called and their views were taken. And time and again we keep on doing regularly meeting with them, with the headmen of the block 2 areas, the people of the block 2 areas. We keep on having their discussions with them, and every time it has come to the knowledge that people, they have given this also, that people from outside generally try to take advantage of this situation, and these kind of rumors are there, fake news are also there. So based on this, the district administration, the office of DEO and the office of SP have taken sufficient steps to ensure there is enough security provisions are there, and in that a large number of forces, sufficient number of forces from Meghalaya Armed Police and from CAPF have been deployed in the area. They are doing regularly the foot patrolling, the area domination, and restoring confidence in the people. And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue, and there is no atmosphere of fear, fear or something like that. Everyone know, people know that the way they have voted in past, they will vote this time also, and the office of DEO or the office of CEO are committed that no voter will be left behind. And it is also my humble appeal to the people not to believe in any kind of fake news or rumors. Anyone who is mandated by right to vote will be allowed to vote. There will be no hindrance and there will be no security concerns. We have been assured by the district administration of West Karbi Anglong district also, and by the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance, there will be completely smooth conduct of elections, and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly. Thank you.
Badak itu Khubor na poy bakun tarhadu bangin dia Syambiang Kublai Shibun.